Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at ReviewReel. Now this is a cloud-based application that uses artificial intelligence, and it is a really useful tool guys when it comes to creating product reviews. With this application you can create product reviews from Amazon products, ClickBank products, Warrior Plus and JVZoo products, especially those softwares and technologies that they release each and every day. And you can take advantage of this guys because you don't need to record your face in front of the camera, or you don't need to edit complicated videos because just like I said, it uses artificial intelligence, and um, you can just tweak it a bit and you're good to go. You can upload those videos on YouTube and make money because product reviews guys is one of the best way to make money online, and I myself making hundreds of dollars doing product reviews, and you can do the same without recording your face in front of the camera, right? So it's a really useful tool guys, and before I'm going to show you the demo of this, how this works, how you can easily create those product reviews with this amazing software, let me show you first my bonuses. That way you can get an additional value when you guys pick up ReviewReel through my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. Now here are some bonuses that you will be getting from me. My bonus number one, guys, I'm gonna give you access to Bid Amazon. Now, this is a cloud-based application that's gonna turn any Amazon products into video, and you can also use this and upload these videos on your YouTube channel and make money. My bonus number two, I'm gonna give you access to Descript text-to-speech software. Now, you can download this on your computer, or you can access this on the cloud, and you can generate, human-like text-to-speech voice with this, and you can also import this the voice that you've generated using the software inside of your review reel. My bonus number three, guys, is I'm gonna help you optimize and rank your videos on YouTube, and this is one of the best bonus that you can get from me, guys, because this is the exact method that I use to get my videos eyeballs each and every day. And with this method, I'm able to get like 10 to 20 subscribers daily on autopilot. I'm gonna show you that in this bonus right here, and you can copy and implement this method that I'm gonna show you in this bonus number three. My bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna give you access to Article Body Pro. Now, with this software, you can create 100% unique content. My bonus number five, guys, I'm gonna give you access to Curation Hero. My bonus number six, I'm gonna give you access to Turbo GIF Animator. Bonus number seven is Auto Video Creator. Bonus number eight, guys, I'm gonna give you access to 100 million HD stack videos, animated GIFs. This is not GIFs, this is GIFs and images, and you can access this on the cloud. Bonus number nine, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to 500,000 stack royalty-free audios, and you can import this inside of your review reel software. Bonus number 10 is all vendor bonuses, and aside from those bonuses, guys, you can also get access to this 47 graphic bonuses. Let me show you that. Alright, guys, so here are some graphics bonuses. Bonus number one, evergreen infographics. Bonus two, expert graphics video pro. Bonus three, animated graphics fire sale. Bonus number four, instant graphics collection. Bonus five, graphics to maximize your business. Bonus 6, meditation graphics pack. Bonus 7, infographics volume. Bonus 8, public speaking graphics pack. Bonus 9, real estate graphics. Bonus 10, money graphics pack. Bonus 11, cartoon graphics pack. Bonus 12, marketing graphics version 2. 13, infographics expansion. 14, graphics wizard. Graphics blacks. Infographics business edition. Premium FV graphics kit. Graphics mystic toolkit. Graphics elements sales page backs, video marketing graphics, video marketing mastery, infographics builder, graphics black box. There's a lot of graphics that you can get um, from this bonus bundle right here, guys. If you would like to use my link down in the description of this video. Aside from that, guys, you're gonna get access to this additional 20 premium software. Bonus number one is Jupyter Meet video conference. Bonus number two, Meet app conference app. Bonus number three, live stream video chat. Bonus four, event Me Pro online. Bonus 5, play to video. Bonus 6, video gallery. Bonus 7, bonus 8 is cloud files. Bonus bonus 9, all-in-one video downloader. Bonus 10, video clipping mask. Bonus 11, Android video editor. Bonus 12, WordPress video robot plugin. Bonus 13, Ask Me version, ultimate PHP question and answer social network platform. Bonus 14, video streaming. You can get instant access to all of these bonuses, guys. I cannot, show all this to you because it will take us a lot of time. But you can, get plenty bonuses from me if you would like to use my link down in the description of this video. And you can also get access to ReviewReel, bid rank neos, and bid neos, right? So those are all of my bonuses. When you would like to pick up ReviewReel through my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. When you guys click that link, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this. Now the headline says, create amazing review videos fast that pulls commission and sales without speaking a single word or being in front of the camera. Now, just like I said, guys, it's a really useful tool, especially when you're a shy type person, you don't want to show your face in front of the camera. Then you can get started creating product reviews and make money just by using this software. And just like I said, this is a cloud-based application. You don't need to download this on your computer. You can use any device, but I highly suggest to use desktop. And this comes with 14 days money back guarantee. Now, if you don't like the product, you can just refund your money. But I'm sure you will like the product because it can really help you guys out. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to create a demo video, a demo, how to use this software. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're on the dashboard of ReviewReel. Now one of the coolest part about this, guys, is that you can integrate this with different kind of application like Facebook, YouTube, SciVid, ScriptReel, TrimReel, LiveReel, and Sonority. And you can also directly upload your videos on YouTube and Facebook using these integrations right here. And then basically there is a demo video right here, guys, showing you exactly how to use this software and how to create review video with ReviewReel. But basically, to create a review video, just click on this create a review video, and this is where you create your video campaign. Yeah, you give it a name. In this demo video, I'm gonna be using ReviewReel and create a review video uh, using this product, which is a ReviewReel. All right. So what I can do is give it a name, ReviewReel, right here, and give it a product name, ReviewReel. Product type is video creator. Brief description, we can just go to website or the sales page of the product that you wanted to create a review video. You can copy this information right here, paste this into the description, and go back to the sales page again. We can copy some information of this detailed information. Let's say, for example, we just wanted to copy this one right here, paste that right there, and then product image. You can also add product image. Let's try to add an image right here. Let's say we want to use this product image right here, and then the function of the product. You can just go back to sales page, and then we'll look some information. What is the function of the product? It will create review video, right? And then goal of the product, to what is the goal of the product? We can just create amazing review videos fast, right? That pulls commission and sales. So this is the goal of the video, right? Just basically copy this. Just basically fill in the blank, right? You don't need to write your own article. You don't need to write your own content with this. Just basically copying and pasting information from the product. You can add pros and cons right here, guys, if you want to do that. Um, I'm not gonna do that in this video. You can also add features right here. Now go to the sales page and look for some features. So let's say no, let's go to the bottom portion of this, and let's try look for some features of this application. You know what? Let's try to use this as a as a feature. You can just copy the heading right here, visual and fact. You can also add this, save this image right here, and save the description of that feature right here, details. Putting like that, you can add it an image, add in a testimonial if you wanted to do that. There's also a testimonial on the sales page. You can also do that. You can also add bonuses right here, guys, if you wanted to do that. And then yeah, you can also upload a demo video of the product. So there's a demo video on the sales page, so you can also download this demo video right here and upload this on your and then you can import this using YouTube, Vimeo, or URL right here. And then let me turn up this, and then you can customize the color right here, and then click on create video, and it will load this to our video editor right here. And this is where you customize the entire video, right? As you can see, you know uh, all the slides has been created automatically for you, so you don't need to do anything with this. You just basically um, go to each slide and edit some information. You can add some text, media, voiceover right here. You can also do that. You can also add background music right here, a voiceover. You can generate that for each slide. You can also do that. And then media, if you wanted to add like uh, images or videos, you can also do that. And then add some text right here. You can do pretty much do anything with this. You can add text if you wanted to do that as well. And then let's take a look at the settings right here. You can add a logo, watermark if you wanted to do that. And you can also add in another slide right here. I wanted to add a pros and cons, product description, a feature, testimonial, conclusion, bonuses, and demo. You can also add this in a slide. And then once you're happy with all those changes, you can also add intro and outro into your videos. And once you're happy with all those changes, you just basically render your video, and it will automatically render your video, right? And this is where you see all the videos that you've created. You just once the video is rendered, you just can basically download this on your computer and upload this on your YouTube, or you can automatically click on publish right here to directly upload this on your YouTube account or Facebook account. All right. So yeah, so I think that would be in this video, guys. Now, if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And if you would like to pick it up using my link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna make sure that you get an extra value, giving you access to these amazing bonuses right here, guys, that I put together. That way you can have an additional value when you guys use my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this review. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you.